Everybody, it's me, Miss Strasser, here with your problem solving option 1 for this week. We're going to be looking at some more decimal number sense, comparing decimals. We're looking at a problem solving called Bamboo and the Botanist. A botanist is a person who studies plants. Mr. Moss is a botanist who is studying a type of bamboo that can grow 1 2/10 to 3 9/10 inches every 24 hours. Mr. Moss has 2 pots with a stem of bamboo in each pot, and each stem of bamboo is 4 feet in height. Mr. Moss wants to measure the height of each stem every 24 hours for a week as accurately as he can, and he records the growth of each stem. So what I would do is I would come down to the bottom of my page, and I would split my page in half because I have 2 pots of bamboo, pot 1 and pot 2 of the bamboo. Then when I come down to this section here, I notice that he records the data for 4 days. So for pot 1, I would come down here and I would put day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. And then I would do the exact same thing for the second pot, day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. See how I'm keeping my work organized as I read. Then it records the amount per day that it grows. Now, something that I know is always a misconception, it is not being added to the original height. So the original height was 4 feet. That does not matter here. Okay, it is not helpful to us to solve this problem. We are just tracking how much it grows each day. So on day 1, it grew this many inches. Okay, we're not adding that to 4. We're not subtracting between other days. We're just tracking the data in which it grew. Day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. That was all on the pot 1 bamboo. And then I'm coming over here for the second pot. I see a day 1, 2, 3, and 4. So then I'm going to go put those numbers down in my chart for my second pot. Mr. Moss organizes his bamboo growth and then uses the greater than, less than, or equal symbols to make 2 observations. Show how Mr. Moss could represent his data. What 2 observations could Mr. Moss make about his data using the greater than, less than, or equal to symbols? Literally, that's all you're doing in mathematical sentences using words. What 2 observations did you make about the data up here written in sentence format in words? Okay, and then I'm also going to be looking for the greater than, less than, or equal to symbols. Okay, that might be down here in your charts. That might be in your sentences. I'm not sure, but that's what I'm looking for. Okay, good luck, guys.